Whoa! Here's a Harry Kane. Now, first thing we need to do is a head shape. So we're going to start off like this. It's almost like a seed. A lot of head shapes are like this. Not just Harry Kane's. Not just England's Harry Kane. Push that one in there so we know roughly outside of that it's going to be the hairline. Depending on how he's got his hair this week, it's going to be just swept back like it often is. So the way I like to do that is those sort of lines on top. There we go. So down like that, coming down like that is going to be his hair and beard line, if you like. So to know how far I come, I'm going to put a light line across there for where the eyes are roughly going to be, and the nose coming down like that. Then we get to a big sort of smile like that. Going, yeah, because he scored a goal in the World Cup final. Maybe, could be. That's coming up. Spoilers. I got a little beard on him at the bottom here. You can do this at the end. I like to do these things halfway through sometimes. There we go. A little bit of stubble on there as well. Those are his eyes, obviously. And do a slight line there for where how the head goes. Ear is going to be about there. Look at that cheekbone there, quite pronounced cheekbones. And finally, these eyebrows that go around like that. It's not looking bad. I'm going to get rid of some of these lines along here. There we go. And the rest of that I think we'll tidy up at the inking stage. Oh, I don't like that bit of hair there. Let's get rid of that as well. And move it into a neck like that. For his England shirt to come on like that there. That's more or less there. It's quite Harry Kane at the moment. We'll tidy the rest of that up at the ink stage. I think there we go. So just need some shoulders. Roughly in there like that. Let's do a bit more of his body there. Actually, let's do a bit of let's do a celebration pose, because after he's scored the goal in the World Cup final, he would be celebrating naturally. So let's have a quick way of doing this here. A little ball there, a little ball there. Bring those down so they almost look like skittles, like in a bowling alley. Okay, so moving them up, connecting all those into that sort of shape. I've drawn the thumbs on the wrong side. Oh no, hang on. That thumb would be there, that thumb would be there. Yeah, that would be there. Yeah, they're okay. I always do that, get the hands the wrong way around. Anyway, that's where his shirt would be. That's his England badge there. And there he is, his son. Yeah. What do you reckon? Not bad for a pencil sketch. Let's go on to the inking stage. Here we are. So this is the old drawing tab with me inking digitally over the top. I'm not unhappy with the pencil sketching actually. I think that's a decent likeness, but I think we can improve on it with the inking stage here. And as ever, the digital inking makes things a lot easier because you can move things around once you have done them. A little bit of beard going on there. Doesn't always have the beard, but I prefer him with it, so I'm going to go do that. Some Harry Kane facts. Harry Kane MBE. Yeah, he's got that. I expect he'll get his knighthood when he scores in that World Cup final. Was born in 1993. Yeah, that's similar to me, so that makes him late 20s, which is very, very similar to me, obviously. He was born in Whipps Cross, which not only sounds like an ice cream, but also sounds like something he might do on a football pitch, which is appropriate, I guess. Couldn't find any of Harry Kane's likes and dislikes, so I'm just going to make some up. He likes scoring a goal, and he also likes when people are kind to him. His dislikes are not scoring a goal and spiders, probably. Skin tone on there. He's not the palest of chaps, but he's not a tan Adonis either. Most of the time, I haven't been on holiday with him. His hair colour, normally sort of a blondie, can be a bit brown. I think we'll save the brown for the ends of the hair and then maybe the beard as well. Yeah, that's going to be appropriate. Bit of a shadow on the hair there as well. Are there any other footballers you'd like me to do? I might make a little list of football videos to do. So we just need to fill in the eyes and mouth and a few other little bits there. I've gone with the light brown for the eyebrows as well. Good stuff. Obviously, Harry Kane was my first choice here because he is, England's captain and a very sort of popular hero, isn't he, in the game? So if you've got any others of your personal heroes, let me know. I'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments, or if you draw footballers yourself. Because I really like football and I really like art, so it's natural that I would want to draw footballers. And I wonder if you do too. Or maybe you have no interest at all, just watching this for fun. So just a bit of shadow on there now, really doing the finishing touches. We are more or less there, I think. Obviously there's your shirt to do. But after that, I think we are very nearly there, and I'm pretty happy. I think it's certainly evolved from the pencil stage. A few more shadows on the shirt there. I think when he's got his arms into his chest, there's going to be a lot of shadows around there, so that's a nice, generous place for a lot of those shadowy lines. Are there any other sports people you'd like me to do? I did a LeBron James on the previous video for his film work rather than his sports work, but that was a lot of fun too. But let me know if you've got any ideas. Here he is, Harry Kane, scoring a goal. See you next time.